What is up, CTC family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. And today I want to give my price prediction for two more cryptocurrencies that have set themselves up for my particular cryptocurrency trading style. All right, now all of this is dependent on if BTC breaks up violently or breaks down in the same manner. None of this is financial advice, so I encourage you to do your own research and not take my or anyone else's opinion without looking into it yourself. I encourage you all to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be aware of when we do these videos. Check out ChaseThatCoinTrading.com so you can take advantage of the free Excel spreadsheet with live coin market cap data and grab yourself a membership to Chase That Coin Trading. Let's get into it, guys. Okay, so the first cryptocurrency that we want to look at here is a lower cap cryptocurrency, and it is Wabi. Now, the reason that I'm looking at it at such a low time frame is because Wabi is a newer cryptocurrency, okay, and it doesn't have much information on a higher time frame. Wabi is a very interesting concept, and I encourage you to look into it for yourself. I think there's a lot of upside potential in this cryptocurrency. Now, based on a lower time frame, all right, it has come to a previous point and built a level of structure there, which is always a pretty good sign. Okay, it also has formed a channel. And the good thing that I like about this one channel is the fact that the dips are getting lower and lower and lower inside the channel towards the downside. So it's struggling to hit the bottom of the channel more and more each time, and it's finding it easier to test the top of the channel here. Okay, so let's quickly go over here and look at Wabi. So it has 201 million. Let's call it 202 million. Okay, market cap $13 million, 24-hour volume, 45 million coins circulating, which isn't bad. Okay, let's call it 100 million, which is kind of like somewhat of the standard. You know, many coins have 100 million, around that number. So the amount of coins is pretty good. All right, the total supply is also good. The volume is good, so we can enter and exit this market, not with super ease, but it won't be a super struggle to try to enter and exit this market. So Wabi is a trade that I am excited about if BTC doesn't, you know, take off or break down very violently. Okay, full disclosure, I do have a position, very recent, in Wabi. Okay, another cryptocurrency that we want to look at is Lisk. No, I do not have a position in Lisk. All right. But Lisk is one that it is at a previous high. Okay, so it is at a current high. It has its run up. It has had its run up. But okay, we do have a flagpole here, and we do have somewhat of a rough flagging action. Now, when some people look at flags, they like to use the channels. Okay, so they're only trading flags that are going to trade within a quick channel like this. Some people are going to trade flags that are more so like wedges. Okay, so I trade both. With whichever one presents itself, I trade them both the same way. I find that they both have the same effect. Usually the ones that are more so like a wedge, a falling wedge, you get action much quicker before you get to the bottom of the channel. So even though it is at a high, and I do not encourage this, the reason that I am liking this is because of the possible flag and the fact that we gapped here. Okay, now depending on the pair, a gap can act as a form of support or as a form of resistance. Judging from the way that Lisk has reacted, I'm going to say that this may be a form of support. Okay, so I'm looking for Lisk to break the top of the flag and possibly create a new high. Judging from the next extension on the Fibonacci level, which is about 320,000 Satoshis for Lisk. So there is some good upside for Lisk there. I'm more so a little bit excited about the Wabi trade, but I'm going to keep an eye out for Lisk breaking the top of this triangle and continuing towards the upside. Okay, guys, so that was my coverage of two cryptocurrencies that I think have some possible upside. You know, all of this is dependent whether BTC breaks up or down. It may temporarily kill your trade if it breaks up or down. None of this is financial advice. This is just a random guy on YouTube with lines on the screen. So I encourage you to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be aware of when I do these videos. And until next time, keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.